Hi Ed, I'm Leanne, and I wanted to share a testimonial video about your wonderful course that I've been doing with my colleague Renata. And we are really so impressed and so happy with this course. It's really helping in lots of different ways. Firstly, helping us to really hone in and focus on our message, which I think we've needed to do for some time. And it's just been super inspiring, extremely motivating. It's so well thought through, and we're just completely impressed with you, who you are, what you're doing. It's very beautiful to see. And the course, it's been, it's wonderful to have this structure in place that's really guiding us step by step. And then it's been hilarious. It's extremely funny. The content is touching and beautiful. I've really laughed and cried, and just from being really touched. I think the boxing story was just so beautiful. And you're just very funny as well. So I love your straight talking approach, no excuses. Get on and do it and stop faffing around, which is great for me to hear sometimes. And what else? Yeah, anyway, I just wanted to say huge thank you. I'm so happy to know about you in the world, what you're doing, your life, everything you've been through, and that you're now, delivering this to so many people who really need that help. And fingers crossed, this is going to help us to launch in a bigger way and start reaching out to more people. Looking forward to getting on calls. We are aiming to launch this week, so we'll see how it goes. And really just wanted to say thank you so much, and to you, your team, and look forward to seeing you in the future, I hope one day. Okay, thank you.